Ubabe sujo na kwesi ameshekwa unti abanese na udi medianie. Ubabe sujo na kwesi Akwasi. Nade. Akwasi. It talks about interaction between our forefathers and the white man. So over here, Akwasi, we termed the white man as Akwasi Bruni. So it may adapt the name Akwasi to represent that. So yeah, it touches on all the things that happen, the relationship and interaction between black people and white people, and baby in the and I say interaction, it hasn't been favorable to the black man. So it touches on all the things, how our culture has been stolen, how we've been misrepresented, how our history has been turned around, how and why we need to go back and touch on it. And it's been so many years, and in fear the 500 years now we see a free neck I could see in the 500 years has passed into a free neck we be any better in free neck we need better some way into I could see it get here I could see here uncle ya my near uncle ya be seen that's what dear in ya. Oh, Akwasi. Oh, Nade. Akwasi.